What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Red Barn Restoration and Collision. We're going over the 57. It's all sanded, ready for paint. Basically what I use to final sand it is a cordless Milwaukee DA. There's your part number. A 3M interface pad. Part number on it's 05777. Hook and loop, Velcro. 6-inch, 400, and then I go from the 400 to a hand sanding ultra fine 800 grit flex sanding sponge. There's your part number on that. You can get them off Amazon, eBay, whatever. There is your 400 grit. You can get those off Amazon as well, eBay. And that is my final step of sanding and getting ready for paint. All right, like, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for the next update, which is paint on the 57.